What's up, everyone? I'm here at the Passport to Taiwan Festival here in Union Square, New York, and I'm going to get some shaved ice. Not sure if it's going to be as good as the shaved ice I got in Taiwan proper. Looks kind of small to me, but it's Taiwan specialty, shaved ice. Last time I had this was in Hawaii and it was pretty good there, but this kind of looks kind of plain. Well, it's got slight mango flavor in it. Definitely very cooling, but other than some like flavoring, like mango flavoring, there really isn't much to it. It's just ice that's broken up. Nothing too much special to it, but at least it's a hot day. It cools me down. For $5, maybe slightly overpriced, but it's not enough for me.